until we get the exact how to say that word. Sorry. Yes, very smell good. Yeah, it smells so good. So now I put this in the fridge first, then I need to cut another more. So now, I need to cut the tenderloin. So next week, I had order, my coworker, they order pork barbecue. So I need to prepare this. So I slice this, then marinate, then I marinate this in how many days? Like 2 days. So this. So I like this because it's very tender. Excuse me, my voice something, I feel like dry my throat. Okay lang, Ate Sheila. Oy, ayaw lang mo pag-comment og kuan kay ngano ma-restrict inyong ubang comment. Pork adobo, Ate Law. Mas kuan siya. Kay ang uban nga ma-comment ninyo kay pwede na siya ma-restrict, dili na nako makita. Okay lang, Ate Sheila, kay mas okay ang main na account ninyo mo'y gamiton. So thank you Victor for following this advice, Ate. Thank you, Ate Lau. Very sharp my knife. The one knife is not very sharp, so I don't like very long. So I need to slice a little bit fast. So we check this. Maybe we need to lower a little bit the heat because if very high the heat, it's not good. So I don't want to dry very fast because we need to be sure it's tender or meat because it's so yummy, very tender. It's so yummy, very yummy. So, clear ba? Clear. Gusto kong magpalit ng malaking chopping board. Kasi kasya naman yan dito. Para mas mabilis ako. Oh my God. So, lots of work. Yan. So, I need my big chopping board. Here we go. Thank you so much for staying there, everyone. Here we go. So now I can cut fast as I can. Because that's I really need. So, makita ba? At least, move a little. Be sure. Yes. So,